regarding the peace talks, regarding the government, regarding the government of India, government of Meghalaya. Like it's just for an information to the public.
So what is the status?
The status right now is we will be having formal talks very soon, in the first week of June. So after the formal talks takes place, then only we will be able to deliberate further. What?
The formal.
We have had since the beginning of this peace process, we have had discussion with the central government interlocutor, including people from the IB and the Home Ministry 3 times. And the latest meeting that we had is with the Home Minister of the state, Shillong, in the presence of Chief Secretary and Home Secretary. Whatever deliberation that has taken place in all these talks is about the kind of breaking the ice so that the peace process can move forward. When I say that we are breaking the ice, means we cannot straight away go to the political demands of the organization. What we have done in different in this 4-5 deliberation is that we talk of the peace for the safe passage for the leaders of the HNLC to be able to come to India and have a face-to-face discussion at different level. And secondly, the deliberation was on the amnesty, because peace process cannot move forward until and unless the government, both central and state government, consider amnesty for the organization as a whole and all its individual members.
In terms of protection, yes, we have been demanding about protecting the people from the Hynnyiewtrep. There are many ways. There are many aspects to be.
Recently,
what the publicity secretary from the secretary of the HNLC has given a statement recently. I mean, the wording that he used means we cannot guarantee the success or failure. Since this is a process, it is a work in progress. So we cannot guarantee whether it will be 100% successful or there will be speed breakers at certain point. So that is a wise statement, so to say. It cannot be guaranteed. That is a statement that is given. And coming back to the question which we were asked time and again about the protection of the indigenous people that the HNLC has stood for. If you remember from the inception of the organization, the thing that we have been fighting for is the instrument of accession and the violation of the Indian government about the instrument of accession and the annex agreement. So that is the base of all the other issues. We talk ILP, we talk influx, we talk economic prohibition, we talk development. All is based on that, because the organization since its inception have looked at this violation of the instrument of accession and the annex agreement as a big aggression on the new government. So the HNLC, through this peace process and through its struggle for the past 35 years, wants to rectify that historical mistake that was committed on the new government. Everything will be reviewed after the first meeting in the formal talk. Then you'll get more clear picture whether the organization is still talking about that. Because right now it's a process, so from the leaders was taken here in Shillong also, they are keeping a kind of conference meeting day and day out to sort out the state. As I have said earlier, that no negotiation can be without condition. All negotiations are based on certain conditions. If there is no condition, there will be no negotiation. It will be a surrender. About the safe passage, yes, it has been agreed about a year ago that all the participating leaders of the organization can can move freely to proceed with the peace process. And as far as amnesty is concerned, that is a subject matter which we will be placing in the first formal meeting that will be going to be held soon. So far, that is the status, and so far that was the discussion that we have discussed. Now, until and unless this waiving of legal action is in place, the waiving of legal action means like it may be through the amnesty or it may be whatever the procedure the government knows better. So peace process can be signed only after the organization feel it's okay to go ahead with the ceasefire. But the subject matter of the ceasefire will be placing in the first formal meeting, and we have to hear the technicalities of it. We have to discuss with the Home Ministry and the State Government, and if it is okay, then it's okay, and if not, then it might be delayed.